Oh, he done cheated.
Stand by, it's time. About to blow up like a landmine. Stand by.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. I'm Dar.
D'Angelo.
And we are the Wilson family. So today we're doing a challenge called the
Chubby Bunny
Challenge.
We're going to put how many marshmallows we can do. First we're going to do the small and then the big.
Right. So for this challenge, we got the small marshmallows, then we got the big marshmallows. So with the small marshmallows, we're going to see who can stuff their mouth faster and have just a bunch of marshmallows in their mouth, all right? And with the big ones, we're going to do the Chubby Bunny Challenge. If you don't know the Chubby Bunny Challenge, it is stuff in your mouth. See how many marshmallows you can stuff in your mouth and say Chubby Bunny. So you'll put one in your mouth, say Chubby Bunny, and see how many you can put in your mouth before you can no longer say Chubby Bunny. Alright? So let's get to it. Round one. Let's see who wins. This is dad versus son. So let's see who's gonna win this battle. I think I'm gonna win. If you think I'm gonna win, go ahead and give me a thumbs up.
Yeah, he has a bigger mouth.
If you think D'Angelo gonna win, go ahead and comment on the video.
Come on,
go ahead and comment. If you're gonna comment for him. But go ahead and like it for me. Just give me a thumbs up, alright? Let's get it started. We finna go, alright? Alright.
Ready.
Round one. We finna see who can stuff their mouth the fastest with the marshmallows, alright?
Ready.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh dang! Oh man! Dang, that dried my mouth out bad.
Me too.
Dang. Ooh. Alright, it's obvious. It looked like I won. Can't really tell. Ain't no one here to judge, but it's up to y'all. Like I said, if you think I won, go ahead and give me a thumbs up.
If you think I won, give me some thumbs up and make us hit.
In a comment. Give him a thumbs up in the comments, alright? But like this video for me. I think I won though.
No, I think I won. Yeah, you think you have the bigger one. This is round two, guys. We also made a big mess, so we have to clean it up.
Yep, Mommy's gonna be real mad, but that's okay. You know, we're having fun. We're having fun, alright? Now let's get to round two.
This is son and dad.
Dad versus son. So, D'Angelo's gonna go first with the Chubby Bunny Challenge. So what he's gonna do is he's gonna put one marshmallow in his mouth and say Chubby Bunny. He's gonna put another one, if he can fit it in there, and say Chubby Bunny. He gotta say Chubby Bunny with the marshmallow in his mouth before he can put another one in his mouth, alright? So y'all ready? Let's count down for D'Angelo. 3, 2, 1, go. 4. You think you can fit more? 5, 6, 7. 7. D'Angelo can only do 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make sure it's 7 right there. Alright, D'Angelo.
I tried my best. His mouth is bigger.
D'Angelo can only do 7, so that means y'all know what to do. Give me that thumbs up.
His mouth is bigger than the earth.
I'm finna win, so give me that thumbs up right
No, give him some downs.
Alright, y'all ready? It's my turn.
Please,
give me
friend. Please, friend.
Give me that countdown.
3, 2, 1.
Go. Strawberry Bunny. Strawberry Bunny.
3,
4,
4, 5, 6.
Oh, he done cheated. Look at that.
How did you get?
Did I win? I don't even know if I won. My mouth was so full. So, like I said, y'all, let us know who won this round. My son just snuck me with some pie, or some whipped cream pie. Alright, definitely cheated. So we're gonna have to do that. I think I still won.
Nah.
I don't know, I can barely see right now.
Nah.
I'm whipped creamed out. You
Nope.
cheated, alright? So guys, if y'all like this video, make sure y'all give it a thumbs up. I know it wasn't, I don't know, man. This is new to me. I'll let D'Angelo talk to y'all. What you gotta say to the people, D'Angelo?
Yeah, I totally sneaked him when I went like, shh. So that was so great. That was. Oh my gosh!
So we thank y'all guys for watching. Make sure like I say, make sure y'all give it a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up. Like and subscribe to our channel. And let's eat some marshmallows.
That's what you get.
Mommy's gonna be mad at us, but
This is my disgusting marshmallow.
thank you guys for watching.
This is the Wilson family.
The Wilson family
Woo!
challenge 1. Done. Finesse.
That was Sunday, guys. Bye. Peace out.